they can relax. Okay, lie down. Okay, they can throw the leg, kick the leg on in the water. Yeah. Have you seen the elephant swim before? No? Yeah? You will see today. Okay? And please remember, everybody, today you stay here in Thailand. Okay? Please be careful the elephant leg. Okay? Because the elephant they know Thai boxing. Okay? Thank you. Thank you, boss. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, sorry. Don't say no.
ไม่เอาโคตรตักใส่หัวให้ได้หน่อย
They're really enjoying it. The two old ladies are really enjoying it. Look here. Look here.
I'm not over here.